This effect is pretty typical where you want to make someone in a video anonymous, and you can use a blur, or in this case a mosaic effect in After Effects to obscure someone's face. But obviously you just want to have the face obscured and not the rest of the video, so you use masks. And in this video I'm just going to show you how a number of masks were used together to first of all track the person's face, and then where the object that she's holding overlaps her face, how we can use a combination of tracked masks to ensure that the mosaic effect doesn't carry on over here, down over the paper that she's holding up in front of her, which it would if we, such as that. Okay, so in the first instance, the mask that is tracking her face is just drawn an oval, and then that oval follows her just by using the track forward, and that mask is then applied on an effect through the compositing options, where you click the plus and the first mask 1 is used with an add composite mode to only show mosaic effect on the face within that mask. So the first one is tracked and applied as a composite option, one of the compositing options, and you can see it here. The second mask is also tracking. It's tracking this object here, and you'll see that that is applied also as one of the compositing options on the mosaic effect. You'll see mask 2 here, and it's applied second, and it is the second mask there, so it subtracts from the first one. Okay, so it's no different than working with normal masks. Now in the sense that you use add, subtract and intersect. Now, because the paper only overlaps her face for a very brief portion of the plate, you only need to animate and track that part. So what I've done here is, right before it's required, I've pulled the mask down out of the way, and I've used a hold keyframe so that it just holds the mask down here out of the way, away from that mask where it's not needed, and then as soon as it is needed, it goes to the next keyframe, and then that tracking allows you to integrate your two masks together. So you can do this with as many masks as you need to ensure that your effect, and again this is just one very specific use, any kind of visual effect can have masks applied to it and tracked in this exact fashion. Okay, so this is just a simple tracked mask, or combination of tracked masks.